Yo. Okay, there's gotta be something wrong with this order because it's too good to be true. We've got Chick-fil-A, $14 and some change, going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Well, that was a very long wait, but we finally got it. And it looks like we're going downtown, so hopefully it's not crazy down there right now. It's still pretty early, so I'm sure everyone's still asleep. Oh my god, this wind chill. Ooh, feel it in my bones. Next up, we've got an order for IHOP. This is $13 and some change, going 6.5 miles. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Have a great rest of the day.
You as well. I got this next order right away. We're going to Starbucks for a $7 order, going 3.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Oh my god. Oh, ooh, that feels good, doesn't it? Oh my god. Well, I'm awake now. Jeez. That was pretty crazy. I got green lights all the way here, like more than 5 in a row. I've also never been to this store, like ever, but we've got a grocery outlet, shop and deliver, $11 and some change, going 5.5 miles, only one item. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $10, going 3 miles, 4 items. Got the very last one, lucky. All right. Oh, this is literally going down the street. I could probably walk there. I'm not going to because of the water, but you know. Next up, we've got a stack. Looks like going to the same person. It's going to a place called Scratch Breakfast and 7-Eleven. But this is going to be $20, going 9 miles. I really like your hair.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Sure.
Order for Shay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello. You too, thank you. Crazy dogs, please leave on the red seat by the door. Okay. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. Looks like we have an alcohol pickup and Champ's Pizza. $30, going 10 miles. Hello.
Can I do for you?
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Almost did the splits there. That would have been fun. Is this valet only?
Yeah, are you picking up?
I'm dropping off. It's just like a bottle of...
Oh, you're good if you're just gonna be like 10 minutes.
Yeah, less than that.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Bro, I am so lost. And then just a scribble in that box for me.
Sweet. Thank you.
Good enough for me. Okay. Next up, we're going to Subway. $9 and some change, going less than a mile. Okay. That's not gonna be ready anytime soon. Oh, now they give me this order. I was literally right there. This is a Starbucks, $8 going less than 3 miles. Hello. For Frenzy.
Perfect. Everything's in there for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just got the next order. This one's gonna be for Popeyes. $9 and some change going 1.5 miles.
Hello. Over to Popeyes.
Okay, I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 10:52. Current total, we are at 85, and I have 3 Uber tips yet to come in. 4 actually, one of them was a stack. So I have no idea what the total is gonna be, but I know it's gonna be over 100. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.